Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the exact Google Sheet you need and confirming you have edit access. This avoids wasted work later. Once done, scan the header row and freeze it so columns stay visible while you edit. Make sure to duplicate the sheet or create a version history snapshot. That preserves data if something breaks. If you rely on external data, confirm any imports or connected ranges are up to date before changing values. Now you perform the actual updates. Enter or paste new values, then immediately check dependent formulas so you don't introduce errors. When changing a formula, explain why you chose a function like VLOOKUP versus index/match. This makes future edits easier. Use data validation to prevent bad entries and conditional formatting to highlight anomalies. Once edits are applied, run quick sanity checks on totals and sample rows to confirm results match expectations. Finish by cleaning up. Remove temporary columns, update the changelog, and set sharing back to the appropriate level so viewers can see results but not break formulas. Make sure protected ranges are set for critical cells to prevent accidental edits later. If something goes wrong, revert to a previous version using version history. This is the single quickest fix. If errors persist, check for broken ranges or permission issues, then reproduce the problem on a copy to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.